How you doing, Antonio? Good to see you, man.
What's up, buddy?
Look, bro, you're 3 touchdowns away from being, two touchdowns. 2 touchdowns away.
Get the right number, man.
There's conflicting reports on the internet. It says you have 109, right?
I think so.
You need 3. You need 3 to be the all-time leader.
Yeah.
How are you gonna celebrate? You think you're gonna reach it this season?
I mean, you don't really celebrate in the moment. You know what I'm saying? You can't really, capture a moment when you're in the moment. You got to kind of capture it when you're done. Right now, I just live in the moment, really, and just hopefully I can get it. So it's been rough. Last game was rough, and every game is rough. So
you think you'll get it this season?
I hope so.
Now, Phillip Rivers has thrown you most of those passes. Drew Brees, Phillip Rivers. Are you going to get Phillip Rivers a gift? Should he expect something?
Yeah, he got a gift. The Chargers gave him a gift.
Oh, okay.
Extension.
That big contract. Yeah. Nothing like a Rolex, something? Like, don't you do that for your quarterback?
Yeah, I think the quarterback does that for the lineman. That's the
okay. All right.
Historically the way it's done. The running backs, quarterbacks take care of the offensive linemen.
So there's no gift in Phillip's future.
Well,
maybe a hug.
The way the quarterbacks get paid now, those are the gifts. But obviously, he's like a brother to me. So, he knows what it means to me, and I'm quite sure, he's always in his position. He's always trying to give me opportunity to achieve whatever it is that I can achieve.
If you like what you just saw and you want to see more videos of your favorite athletes, crazy stories, and just all the best off-the-field stuff, subscribe to the TMZ Sports YouTube channel.
The subscribe button is right here, and check out more of our exclusive content right here.